Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get dynamic island on your iPhone. So any iPhone like 5s, 6, 6s or any iPhone you are using and you want to get the new iPhone 14 Pro Max dynamic island like notch on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how you can get that without jailbreak. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all guys, go to your app store. Then you need to download this app with your widgets. Once you have downloaded this app, just close everything. Now open this app. Now just go to explore to get the dynamic island. So as you can see guys, there is two type of dynamic island. First is right here, and you just scroll down and find the other one. So as you can see, here is another one. So simply just click on import. Once the import is successfully, go to create, then click on it, click on edit, and it will ask for you the screenshot like picture, the wallpaper you are using on the home screen, on the background as you can see. Now then simply click on confirm. Once you have done this, just close this app. Now hold on the screen, then click on plus icon. Now search for the widget apps. Now swipe right and then select the medium one. Once you have selected this, then simply click on it. Select this one, medium, then select the dynamic island widgets. Click on apply theme, yes. So once this done, just close the widgets. Now as you can see, here is it. So this is how you can get the dynamic island on the iPhone. I hope this video helps you guys to get the dynamic island. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.